Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Pinterest Boards. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what are Pinterest boards. Let's get started. Pins are the essential element that people search for on Pinterest. For pins to be saved in one's profile, it needs to be placed and saved inside a board. The pins that you create or repin can be organized inside Pinterest boards by category or purpose. Pinterest boards are a folder-like collection of pins that have their own theme. Pinterest users are using the platform to search for inspiration from the products that they want to buy, ideas for home improvement, preparing for an event, or learning how to make new recipes. There are millions of pins that are available for them to find and discover, and those pins are all saved inside a Pinterest board. The way you set up your Pinterest boards will affect where your created pins or the pins that you have repinned will appear on Pinterest search results. Boards are a way to get those pins discovered by pinners who are searching for keywords related to that pin. There's no pin without boards. It is also possible for pinners to follow specific Pinterest boards from a Pinterest user without them following the profile. A Pinterest user can make multiple boards to save their pins that will belong to different themes or categories. If you're new, it is recommended to create boards from at least 10 boards to a maximum of 20 boards. As time passes, you can gradually increase your boards depending on the need to create more themes for your pins. Pinterest recommends that you should avoid creating Pinterest boards in bulk. Creating boards in bulk will trigger Pinterest to detect this activity as spam. Now let me show you how to create a Pinterest board. Go to your profile and look for the plus icon. Then click Create a Board. Input the board name, and you can see here an optional secret board. And if you want to keep your boards private, you can select this option. Now click the Create button. You will see a window where Pinterest is showing you recommended pins that are relevant to your board. You may notice that pins that are shown here are the pins that contain the title, the same as the name that you placed in your board. As I have saved a pin, Pinterest will find more ideas that I can save for this board. As you click on a pin, you can view more suggested pins under More Ideas. This saves you the time of searching for more ideas related to your board. When we click on a pin, we can easily save it on our newly created board. Once we create a board, it is important to add details to that board. This can help our pins get discovered by our target audiences if it matches their keyword search from the keywords that we place in our board's details. Click on the Edit Board. You may notice that these details are not available to be filled up once you create a new board. So it is important to edit your board every time you create a new board. You'll be able to add a cover board, edit your board name, add a description, add or remove dates, add collaborators, keep your board private, or personalize this board in your home feed. Pinterest boards will help your business boost traffic for your blog, website, or e-commerce store. The details, such as the board name and description that you will add in your board, are the details that will impact how the pins you created on that board will show up on every user's Pinterest search results. Now that you know what are Pinterest boards, we can now proceed to the next topic, creating a board within a board. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.